You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said, and she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room with the typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to that. Maybe if she doesn't like him, she'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear a t-shirt. She just cupped in and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the days when you wake up and find what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see the light of the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. Walk on the street with Junior Bernalkins. I can't help it. This is out to be laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, isn't this easy? And you got a smile like a light up this whole time. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You must have done that. I shouldn't assume with a girl like that. She wear high heels, I wear sneakers. She just cupped the night, I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find what you're looking for has been here the whole time. You can see the lines, I'm the one who understands you. You're all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong. Standing by and waiting at your back, so all this time how could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. You driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who never loved. Know you're about to cry. I know your favorite songs, and you tell me about the dreams. You know I belong. You're worse than what to me. I see that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong. Nothing by and waiting at your back door all this time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Belong with me. You belong.